Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well. Quick recap on my gold trade today. So let's just get straight into it. So obviously we had that rejection, that very much expected rejection from this quarterly distribution edge. It does look quite weak, if I'm honest. So it does look like we are going to tank down, possibly come down to here, which is the 2500 mark. But anyway, we got that reaction last night. So coming in today, we opened up inside a very nice balanced profile for the day, rejected the highs. Now just before London Frankfurt Open, we kind of rejected more or less near this value area low. If you just look at the TPO, we actually on the TPO we rejected the value area low. So my thoughts were to come to the other side. We did kind of have this distribution edge here, and obviously distribution edges are not just one line, it's an area. So we kind of rejected, didn't come right into it, but yeah, more or less. So coming into London Frankfurt Open was sort of here. I was looking to kind of get long from so you had this middle distribution edge here where you can see again multiple touches in that range, resistance, breaks through, hold of support. So that is a clear area for me to kind of get long. And then if you look at the VWAP, make this delta smaller, right? So we had that sort of rejection. Now the reason why I wasn't looking for shorts again from here to continue to that side is because as this was kind of playing out, almost close that. As this was kind of playing out, right, let me just go back to when it was actually happening. So firstly, we didn't even touch VWAP at this moment, right? So now as we're kind of coming up to VWAP where some people would be looking for shorts, you can see that VWAP starts to flatten out and these bands start to straighten up, and then we rip through. There's still no confirmation for a sell at the moment. Now you might get a confirmation for a sell, but as I said, VWAP's flattened right out, the main VWAP there. Then you've also got these bands that flattened out. So that was, I was in two minds. I was about 60, I was about 70-30, 70% in favor of longs, and you can see this point of control held from yesterday. You can see that there, that point of control there. So when I saw that hold here, that was when I was like, right, yeah, we're going to come all the way, and we're going to go to the other side. And where I closed was at these Asia highs, and those Asia highs were the value area as well. Asia high was, yeah, at the value area high of yesterday, and then if you look on the footprint, there was also like at the rejection in Asia, so that was this rejection here. There was tons and tons of huge amounts of buying. I mean, to see 38 contracts on gold in Asia, that's not normal. Tons of buying here, 94 delta, again unnormal. Huge stacked imbalances held, huge buying. So I was thinking just to continue with that flow, and that was pretty much it. So I did take a loss. If I just show you, so I tried entering from here and had my stop kind of too tight, and it's annoying because I entered here, my stop was here, came down, got stopped up, went back up, and then as I kind of saw this candle breaking that high, I just said, yeah, I just had a bad stop placement, so I just entered again, closed right up there as Asia high got taken out, closed perfectly. As you can see that huge retracement, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So where I kind of got long from was, let me just make this up, right? So I kind of got long, so I waited for that break and then kind of a retest, because that's how obviously the flow is on this with auction market theory. You got to wait for a break of that distribution, and and wait for sort of some imbalances to form, then get in on the retest. So here obviously was no entry for me because that was still kind of confirming if sells are going to happen or not. Then here, and then I kind of entered here, and then got stopped at kind of entered here, and I had my stop like somewhere over here, got stopped out and entered again, and then closed. We had some consolidation, had to hold this trade for ages, and then eventually took out Asia high. But yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully that makes sense, and take care. See you guys soon.